Module release. Golang integrates well with Git. To release a module, we only need to create a tag in Git. We'll create a tag for the first version of this module, which is version 1. To create the tag, we can use the command git tag v1.0.0. After creating the tag, we'll push this tag to GitHub using the command v1.0.0. Now, if we check the GitHub repository, we'll see that the tag v1.0.0 has been added, indicating that our module now has version 1. We'll begin by creating the second module with the repository name myapp.hello-world. After creating the repository on GitHub, we'll initialize a Go module with the appropriate name using the command go mod init module name.